In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Trello as a to-do list. By the end, you'll have a simple, clear board you can use every day to track work from start to finish. Trello organizes work into boards, which contain lists, and each list holds cards. In this setup, we'll create a fresh board and the classic three-list flow that makes it easy to see what's next and what's complete. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards page. At the top of the screen, click the Create button, then choose Create Board. This opens the board setup panel. Don't worry, you can change any of these choices later, so keep moving if you're unsure. First, pick a background. A clean color or subtle photo keeps your list titles easy to read and reduces visual noise. Next, type a clear board title. Use something you'll recognize instantly, like personal to-do, marketing sprint, or daily tasks. Short, specific names make it simpler to find the board later and keep your workspace tidy. Choose the visibility setting. Private is best for personal boards. Workspace Visible works well for team boards where everyone in your workspace needs access. And public is only for boards meant to be shared widely. If you're not sure, choose private. You can always change it as your needs evolve. When those details look good, click Create to open your new board. Now let's set up your lists, which act like columns. Click the field to enter a list name and type to do, then select Add List. This is your intake and planning column, the place where you'll drop tasks you want to tackle soon. Create your second column by entering doing and clicking Add List. This is your focus column. It should contain only what you're actively working on to help limit distractions. Finally, enter done and click Add List. This is your archive of completed work and a great way to capture progress at a glance. With the three-list workflow in place, you have a simple visual pipeline. Cards will move from to do to doing to done as work advances, giving you instant status clarity and momentum. If your process needs more structure, add more lists to fit your workflow. Common additions include backlog for ideas you're not ready to prioritize, next up for tasks ready to start, waiting for items blocked by others, or this week to highlight near-term goals. That's it. Your Trello board is ready as a clean, effective to-do list. Keep list names short, review them daily, and you'll stay organized with minimal effort.